Marian has been in the medical manufacturing business for over 40 years. We started doing precision slitting in the diabetes care market, really in the early 80s. And since then, our medical manufacturing has grown to all areas, including skin contact adhesives, device attachment, wearables, a lot of wound care dressings, as well as precision slitting for medical applications. Marian is headquartered in Indianapolis, Indiana, and then we have locations all over the world. Marian was started in 1954, and so over the next 6 decades we grew from a small distribution company to one of the world's largest die cutters. Marian is ISO 13485 certified as well as FDA registered, and all of our processes will follow CGMP protocols. All of our plants are minimally ISO 9001. Marian has over 30,000 square feet of cleanroom space. The cleanroom classifications will range from ISO Class 8, ISO Class 7, even ISO Class 6 where appropriate. We have clean rooms really at all of our facilities around the world, all with the focus of serving our customer locally.
Some of the customers we work with can be very large ones, from the largest device manufacturers in the world to a doctor with a great idea that he wants to bring to market. We can help those people from proof of concept all the way through their design phases out into validation and then mass production. So Marian has a sales force of over 50 people. They're highly technical. They're there to not just work with purchasing, but to understand from an engineering perspective what the requirements are, design the right materials in, speccing the materials that fit your need. I think Marian's greatest value is our technical expertise, both in the materials that we choose for you and the processes that we deliver. Marian's converting capability is second to none, and our engineering organization has an expertise that is unparalleled.
So we have many situations where a customer will have a high volume product that is very complex and cannot be built with off-the-shelf equipment. We'll build custom rotary die cut equipment to build the product and meet our customers' needs, and that builds a partnership that'll last for years.